style traits, and if you are new to my channel then welcome. My name is Shreeja and today I'm going to be doing this really fun makeup look. As you can see, since Raksha Bandhan is around the corner, I thought of creating a colorful makeup look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me and I'll be using the Deck of Scarlet palette. So this is their Belle Jordan collab. So this palette comes along with eyeshadow, blush, highlighter and lip colors, and that is all you need for a full face, and it also comes with the mascara. So this is palette number 9 and I'm using Deck of Scarlet for the first time, and this is how the palette will come. I absolutely love this sleeve. Also, if you want to buy the subscription box, you can use the code LILAC to get 30% off on your first purchase. And you can pick your first subscription box. So if you like this palette, you can buy this or the ones that they have come up with earlier. I'll leave the discount code and the link to the site in the description box below, so do check it out. So you have your palette number given at the back, and I absolutely adore the packaging. Like, this is so sassy. And look at how pretty the colors are. So you have your blush shade, your highlighting shade, the eyeshadows and the lip colors. So my base makeup is already done. I'll leave the products that I've used in the description box below. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Whisper, which is the blush color. I'm actually going to be using that as my transition color. These shadows are really nice and they are really blendable, and a ton of pigment, which I think is really great. Now I'm going to take another blending brush and I'm going to take this drama color, which is like a grey cool toned brown color. I don't know if that made any sense. Then I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm now going to take this highlighting shade. I'm going to pack this color in my inner corners, working it out till the middle. I'm just going to take some more pigment and apply it so I get like a champagne gold glow. So I've put that in the inner third of my eye, but now I'm going to go in with this beautiful lilac shade right here, which is called Supernova. So I'm just going to start applying this in the center and I'm just going to blend it with the highlighting shade. Moving outwards, I'm going to blend it with the grey cool toned brown color. And now taking a blending brush, I'm just going to blend all of that in so I don't have any harsh lines. Then I'm just going to draw a wing liner with the In Color High Tech eyeliner. And for my lower lash line, I'm again gonna go in with the same lilac shade. And to finish off my eye makeup look, I'm gonna go in with the Deck of Scarlet mascara. So I'm just going to apply this on my upper and lower lashes. Ooh, this mascara is really nice. Now I'm gonna take this Whisper blush color and apply it on the apples of my cheek. Okay, now I'm gonna take the highlighter and I absolutely love it. Next, for my lip color, I'm gonna use this shade called Tempting. It's very pink. I'm gonna mix the second lip color, which is called Passion, because I feel like this is just too light for me. I love this lip color. This is such a beautiful color. Oh my god. I am seriously loving how this lilac color looks. I was honestly skeptical about using it because I'm a more warm tone person. Like, I don't play around with colors that much. But I just love this lilac color. I legit feel like a unicorn. So anyway, this is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching and comment down below what do you think of this look. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. All the links are down in the description box, and I will see you next time. So yeah, if you want any what? I was honestly skeptical. I cannot even talk. And I will see you all next soon. Huh? So yeah, just read. What? So what? I legit cannot talk. I cannot talk. I don't have anyone around. I'm just overacting.